If you're looking for 27-inch gaming monitor, meet the Curi G2711P. It comes with 200Hz refresh rate, 1080p Full HD resolution, and IPS panel. Basically, ito yung 27-inch version ni G2411P, kaya naman almost same sila ng specs. Color-wise, vibrant, good for gaming, watching movies, and content creation. With HDR 400, kaya improve yung contrast and brightness. Though meron siyang backlight bleed since IPS panel, hindi mo naman siya mapapansin once na naglalaro ka na. Ang maganda dito, may FreeSync technology, kaya sure na smooth yung gaming experience. For the ports, we have HDMI, DisplayPort, audio, and power. Besa mount compatible, so pwedeng i-wall mount or monitor arm. About naman sa base, hexagonal and tiltable lang yung monitor. Meaning, walang height, swivel, or rotation adjustments. In addition, may one multifunctional button for OSD menu. Dito, may options for game mode, settings for brightness, display, and color. With 8 preset scenario modes, kaya mabilis kang makakapag-adjust based sa ginagawa mo. In my experience, pagdating sa gaming, legit na 200Hz refresh rate. Smooth din siya sa fast-paced games and hindi noticeable yung ghosting even na nakaset lang sa normal yung response time. And para maiwasan yung screen tearing, turn on mo lang yung FreeSync. HDR na din para detail pa rin yung visuals kahit sa dark scenes. Lastly, ito yung mga kasama sa box.